तो यही पिछले क्वेश्चन का continuation है. Based on Bloom's expectancy theory 1964, the manager leader job is viewed as guiding workers to choose the best path to reach both their goals as well as the corporation goals. Leader participation model. This model proposes a method for leaders to involve all members of the organization work together to make decisions, developed in 1973 by Victor Bloom and Philip Yeaton. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. वेज रेट है 30 पर आवर, स्टैंडर्ड टाइम है 6 आवर्स, एक्चुअल टाइम टेकन है 4 आवर्स एंड एसरटेन करना है टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ वेजेस अर्नड अंडर रो 1 प्लान. तो ये आंसर आएगा 160 रुपीज़. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन एंड रिसेशन इज, आंसर इज स्टैगफ्लेशन. अदर ऑप्शंस है हाइपर इन्फ्लेशन, लो इन्फ्लेशन, स्टैग्नेशन. अब स्टैगफ्लेशन क्या होता है? Stagflation refers to an economy that is experiencing a simultaneous increase in inflation and stagnation of economic output. It was first recognized during the 1970s. It can also be alternatively defined as a period of inflation combined with a decline in gross domestic product, GDP. That is, if there is a sudden unexpected increase in the price of a commodity like oil price surge accordingly while profit drop. The conflict between increased price and reduced profits leads to a stagflation situation. Next है hyperinflation. Hyperinflation is a term to describe rapid, excessive and out of control general price increase in an economy. Next question है low inflation. Low inflation usually signals demand for goods and services is lower than it should be, and this tends to slow economic growth and depress wages. This low demand can even lead to a recession with increase in unemployment. Stagnation, a state of inactivity in business or anywhere, etc. Next question. A performance assessment in which co-workers provide input into employees' performance. Answer is peer evaluation. Other options है performance based system, perquisites, performance program. Next question है next जो हमारे जो अदर ऑप्शंस थे वो है पीयर इवैल्यूएशन, पीयर रिव्यू, पीयर फीडबैक, पीयर इंस्ट्रक्शन. इट इज़ यूजुअली डन अमंग द मेंबर्स ऑफ द सेम टीम. इट गिव्स फीडबैक ऑन ईच अदर्स वर्क, एनी अनदर्स ग्रुप वर्क और इफ working in group, other group material contribution to the project. Performance based pay system compensation. It is a system for rewarding employee financially outside of their regular service such as bonus, etc. Perquisites may be defined as any benefit attached to an office or position in addition to salary or wages. Performance program, 360-degree performance approval. It is an advanced form of providing appraisal to employees at organization. It involves feedback from different associate groups of organization, manager, HR colleagues and outside clients.